Wichita Public Schools is located in Wichita, Kansas. It is the largest school district in Kansas. Our mission in Wichita Public Schools is that we will be the district of choice in our region where all students and staff are empowered to dream, believe, and achieve. We have over 50,000 students with a very diverse population. The majority of our students are Hispanic, Caucasian, and African American. We have 105 languages spoken in Wichita Public Schools, where 97 countries of birth are represented. The mission of Wichita Public Schools is to prepare all students to achieve college, career, and life readiness through an innovative and rigorous educational experience. We serve our students pre-K through 12th grade. One of our goals is to increase graduation rate. This year we increased our graduation rate 5% and have increased graduation rate 17% since 2010. A second goal we have is to increase third grade reading proficiency. We know that reading is a foundational skill and is necessary for lifelong success. Our third goal is to increase certifications and college credit. We have 25 career and tech ed pathways, and that represent 7 careers available to our students. Our fourth goal is that our schools are trusted as safe places with a 90% approval rating from our stakeholders. Our students have choices in Wichita Public Schools. They have the opportunity to attend 24 magnet programs if they choose to apply. The areas of focus of these programs are leadership, STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math, the arts, communication, and traditional magnet programs. You can see that our elementary magnet schools are located for your convenience all over the city, as well as our middle and high schools that make it appropriate for all students in our district to have access. Wichita Public Schools works very closely with AVID, and AVID is in all of our middle schools and our high schools. 4 of our schools are national demonstration schools for AVID. Our AVID students by far are exceptional. We have many AVID students, and 99% of those students have graduated on time. The average GPA of our AVID students is 3.1. 82% have been accepted into 4-year colleges and universities, and 96% have been a part of the AVID program for 3 or more years. And this data is as of 2018. Our goal for our students and our staff and all of our stakeholders is to be empowered to dream, believe, and achieve, and we live this motto every day.